So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Google Slides into forms so that it'll look like this when you're done. And students can go right in there and make it a full screen, or they can go back into Moodle without actually having to leave the site. So we're going to learn how to do that. So first of all, make sure your turn editing is on. You're always going to want to edit with editing on. Add an activity or a resource. Again, I like the page because it's just information, but this is a way you can do lessons. And if you want to learn more about Pear Deck, I can give you some information on that in a different video because you'll see that in the slides. So add. So I'm just going to call this one slides. Again, you can add a description. You can leave a description for yourself on what the slides are. Or obviously the name would be more than slides. This is just for this video. But display the description on the page. Be cautious of that because it can become a scrolling nightmare. And we're going to go to content. This is where the meat is. So we're going to go to content and hit this down arrow. And you see this little less than greater than sign for the HTML. We're going to click on that, delete what's there. I don't know why it always has stuff there. And I don't know why this shows up with a red thing, but it does. So I'm going to go to my drive and I'm going to find some slides. So go to geometry and let's go to chapter 1. Let's do a little segment edition and open that up. Now I'm going to go to file and I'm going to publish this to the web. So you're not copying it, you're not doing all kinds of crazy stuff, you're just publishing to the web. And you see here where it says embed, you want to click that. I would just go ahead and leave it as medium for now. And there is no choice for not scrolling ahead, so just put every minute. I don't really care to click on either of those either, so I'm going to hit publish. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And so now this is my code to copy. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to come back here to my editing page and paste it. And you can see the height and the width. You can change those. So if I want the width to be shorter and the height to be longer, I can do that. It just depends on how you want it to view, and you can play around with those numbers. 1200 and 800 are usually pretty standard. So I'm just going to let you know. I'm just going to leave it this time because it's pretty standard. It's pretty close to that. Save and display so you can see what you just did, if you're interested in what you just did. And then you have your slides. And like I said, students can go and make it a full screen and click along. And there you go. They can follow the lesson. So that is how you, and then you could get out of it too. That is how you embed Google Slides right into your actual Moodle course so that it will help you and your students stay on task. If you need more information, please let me know.